In this video, I am going to show you how to get Canva Pro for free. For this, you need to follow these steps. Canva offers Canva for Education, a free version of Canva Pro specifically for eligible teachers, students and schools. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to get it. Step number 1. Check eligibility. Canva for Education is for teachers, librarians, and learning support staff. Currently, it is not available for college or university students, but they can still use the free version of Canva. Step number 2. Sign up. Go to the Canva for Education sign up page. You can sign up by using a verified educational email address. If you use a verified educational email, you might get instant access. Otherwise, select teacher. During sign up and click get verified. They might ask you to upload verification documents like a school ID. Step number 4. Approval. Canva will process your application. This may take few minutes to few hours. You will receive an email notification once your account is approved. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.